Nah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so plan and start new my projects in new semester and third semester. Okay, so in this moment, I want to teach you how to poster design in some application that's Figma. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the first step is you must open the application is Figma. Okay, the application is you can use application or site such as Figma. Okay, and this is for example photo or friends like this. I use like this sample just as source. Okay, great. Uh, First thing poster. Okay, now let's begin the step by step. Okay. The first step is you just take a frame. For the frame, you can key in the keyword F in a category, and you can just ability to social media and pick a data compound. Okay. Step two, automate color. The rectangle click R key keyboard. Just you can click all uh, drag into the frame until it ends in the look in the left panel and see the layer. The layer is inside of this frame. Okay, drag and the fill on the until fill the frame. Okay, next we can change the color. In right panel you can see this fill. See fill. Can change the color. Sample we need a color purple. Okay, how to make a gradient? You can see the uh, main option. This is solid, gradient, and videos. Today I will choose the gradient. Okay, click, and this is the color. The color and first is the purple, and the second is a darken. And we just darken. Okay, same. Okay. Then next, we need to set the image. How to set? Click the keyboard is a shift and control and the key of the keyboard. Okay. For example, up to this. Yeah. If you want to scale the object or the smaller, press and hold the shift key. If you don't press and hold this shift keyboard is like this. Okay. Press and hold the shift keyboard and put in the middle. Okay. Get in the middle and the right lens, the right in the red lines like this. Okay. Next, we make a text. First, click a T key in the keyboard. T. Okay. Wait. Okay. Then write a conf and next how insert a interface. We use this keyboard key. Okay. K. I'm sorry. K. K for a scale like this. Okay. It's bigger. And now we change the font. The font, look in the right panel, in typography section, you can choose the Intel. You can we use this Montserrat. Okay, okay, Montserrat like this. Okay, we change the boldness. Just extra bold. Okay. Change the size and like this. not the, oh, sorry. Uh, in between N and V, we enter and spell it from Converse. Just a second. Until the text is can put in the frame. Okay. Similarly, next we change the color of con text or word. I mean word, the black. Okay. You can choose double click next to color black. Okay, black, and put on the bottom of the this image. Yeah, like this. The first layer is a rectangle, second is a text, and the third is image. Okay, we make it like this in a like plan is a from the top on the top. Duplicate the text. Control D and put in the top of the image. Okay, and now uh, we move this tail and we change the stroke. Okay, with remove and add the stroke. Okay, uh, change the and with top, yes, stroke now fill. Okay, here's the buttons in the tree. Uh, the CON is we remove. Okay, remember you see the text like this in the layer. The converse is in the back of the picture and the first, I mean in front. First is the front of the picture. Okay. Next, we make a title and description. Wait, my Figma is coming back. Okay. The text. The key in the keyboard. Click, and we write a sample. Oh, font is too big. Change the size we preset and on the 60, oh, 60, the 30 pixels. Okay. Write a converse. Mm, yeah, convert hijack Taylor 70s. And we set the brightness, the board. Okay. Oh, font designs is the detail at the sorry. Okay, next we make a description. Taking report and drag like this makes can fail. Okay, we for the description you can search in the internet or website. And now I will check from this just example because we can faster now. Okay, uh, put on this drag again. And, okay, now we how to make a object in the middle. Select the this text, all text, and the light panel. This position we light horizontal center. Right. Okay. The text is are in the middle, the center. I mean. Okay. Next, we create a price. Same DK keyboard. For example, IDR 1.2. Okay. The size we set for the 40. Okay, put in the middle. Now we make this object and promotion 20% discount off. Okay, how to make a star? Look in the bottom. We can choose star. Okay, correct. And we make a discount. We set the 20 and change the ratio in the 80. Okay, next. mm, the corner radius we set either the 5. Okay, and drag button in the inside of the frame and change the color. mm, Yellow. I use a yellow color. You can any color you want. And how to add a shadow. We use this effect. Yes, add an effect. The shadow is visible. Okay. And then this picture needs a effect tool. We add a we add the shadow. The y coordinate we set to the 16 and the blur we set to the 16 too. The opacity we set to the 35. So the y rate we set to the 10. Okay, 10. I mean 10. Okay. Yeah, up to you. You can analyze the stuff. Okay, next we make a text. For example, 20%, 20%. Okay, 20%. The size it will be set to the 48. And will rotation we said no. Rotation we set 15 degrees. But in the middle, the color we set at 5. Okay, faster. Now we make this logo. First a rectangle, a key on the keyboard, drag, double click, and we change like on what is it? I forgot. Okay, duplicate and shift V vertical, and we will be the what is that? Combine this onion. Okay, and then Control E, flatten. This means flatten. Okay, flatten is Control E, and then we make a star. Star, drag. Nah. And put in the middle of vertical. Our text of whatever is we write Converse. The text is Converse, and the size we set to the 32, and the brightness we set to the extra bold. Put in the middle. Okay. Wait. The text here we flatten. Control E. Okay. Okay. This object star and onion we combine and onion selection, and then Control E again. Change the color to white. Okay. Full white, yes. You can see the panel. White. Full white. Okay. Correct. Before that, we can group Control G, and put on the left bottom, top left top. Now, okay. Okay, last, this is just optional. I not use this again. Just copy. The text is right, terms and consent may apply. Okay, copy right in left bottom. The size we set just 10. Okay, terms and this may apply. This is optional. New don't use is not a problem. Okay, you can this have finished the portal. This simple and see. You can use the, you can make it yourself and you can modify it, make yourself. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your session, and I'm sorry if I have mistakes and wrong. Okay, so as I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.